ino ni ndeto njega kuri arimi othe a nguku guku bururi-ini ni amu urimi wacio ni muhuthu tukiringithania na uria ukoretwo ho.
Kenchic generally is our free-range farmer's option. It's a bird that you can just keep in your backyard. It feeds freely. I'm sure we've all seen them. And the great thing about this bird is that it allows even the smallest family possible to actually keep birds that can provide them with meat or eggs through the year.
Oho agori ni mariendagirio na thogora mubashirire.
Our birds are very affordable. The chicks are currently retailing at around 100 shillings, and we have an offer for the initial purchasers through this week.
Riu thutha wa Kenchic kuhingura ruhonge rweru mwena wa Mtwapa, arimi othe a nguku mwena ucio ni mahotete kuhuthirio wira haria mariamukagira motungata matiganite.
Huduma zote tutakuwa tukizipata hapa, huduma ya daktari, huduma ya madawa, vaccine na chengine chochote kile utakihitaji kupitia kwa ulezi wetu wa vifaranga va broilers, va layers, va Kenchic.
Oho ni moreti arimi anini metikire kuhimbiria urimi uyu wa nguku ici tondu urimi wacio ni muhuthu niguo mahote kwiyandika na oho mathondeke mieke mingi ya mawira. Urimi wa kiri uthiete na mbere uhimbiritio kuria arimi mathiete na mbere ona kuhimbiria mithemba mieru ya mahiu kuhitukira teknoloji njeru na niguo kuhota kwiteithia kimuhuko. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV wonjoria njitagwo Njenga wa Wambui.